Light.
Uh-huh.
Do you want the window?
No, it's okay.
We're in a lounge.
Hey Liz,
Yes.
where are we going?
Taiwan.
What are we going for?
Our honeymoon.
Whoa!
Whoa.
When are we leaving?
Half an hour.
And we're not done packing?
We are. I'm just putting in the toiletries, the last minute toiletries.
This is a disaster. There's a lot of mess over here, but don't worry about that.
Is it messy?
I want to angle it this way. Much better.
Did you want me to restart that?
No, it's okay. Okay, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Guess we'll see you there. Liz,
Yes.
where are we going?
We're to Vancouver.
And then what?
And then we have a 3-hour layover. And then we have a 13-hour flight.
Uh-huh.
And then we're in Taiwan.
Cool. Excited?
Yes. And while we wait, let's get some caffeine.
Hello. Hello. So, how long do you have to wait?
7:09.
Uh-huh.
Boarding is in hour 15.
Okay.
Hour 45.
Airport's busy. Yeah.
After a delicious mocha, it's time to board.
This one?
So 6 and ensembles, floor A2, A3.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
They didn't even do like a pre-boarding announcement for this movie.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Do you want the window?
No, it's okay. Yeah. Hello.
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 We're on our first flight.
We are on our first flight.
That's exciting.
Let's see. Ooh, dark.
We got to board early, but we had to wait for the okay from the next airport to take off. One thing that we look forward to on Air Canada are these pretzels. They are so good. After a smooth takeoff and a smooth landing, it's time for our layover.
Oh, we're here. Yeah. We crossed from the Timmies.
Yeah.
No, I thought it would be like, because I'm used to being further down. I expect us to get like right here.
No, 38 is right here.
What is where we at?
YVR.
YVR? How long are we here for?
3 hours?
3 hours. You're excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so where are we right now?
Vancouver.
In the international section.
Yeah.
So we gotta walk to, we gotta find a lounge or food or something.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see, hey?
Yep.
Okay, we're back in the international section. Look at all these bougie shops. There, Maze, you wanna go in there and buy a bag? I know. Okay. Yeah. That was good. They'll take trade. Yeah.
Airports always have the most expensive brands. Who's buying this stuff?
Because we gotta find some food, like, watch out. Cool. Okay. Alright. What just happened?
What just happened?
Yeah.
We couldn't get into our lounge because we're low priority.
I know, we have the Dragon Pass, but they're only accepting business class people, so I guess no lounge for us.
Yeah. Same.
Boo. Whatever. Maybe we'll try again next time.
Yep.
Maybe we got maybe this credit card, it wasn't worth it.
Guess we'll see.
Guess we'll see.
A few minutes later, we found another lounge. It's the Plaza Premium Lounge. They had a drink bar, a coffee machine, juice, pop, food, dessert, and tacos.
Where are we?
We're in a lounge.
What you doing?
Telling my family that we're in a lounge.
Yeah.
We got garlic bread, butter chicken pasta, quinoa salad, teriyaki chicken.
Okay, hon. How was your first lounge experience?
I mean, it was fun.
It's good that it was free, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy it was free.
Some decent amount of food, I guess.
Yeah, we got cookies.
Yeah, we did get cookies.
Yum.
Yep. And yeah.
They had good like grapefruit water.
I know, I agree.
I liked it.
Yeah, worth it, honestly, for the credit card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah. A lot of people are watching this film.
that's okay. They can do whatever they want.
Okay. When did we board?
Like half an hour, maybe 40 minutes.
Okay. Cool. Alright. Let's get to our gate.
And there.
There's our plane. Right?
Yeah. Just watching the staff load the plane. I wonder what's for dinner.
Which way are we going? This way. There's our seat.
And the bathroom is there a bathroom break?
Yeah. Thank you. Hello. This is a big screen.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, it turns on.
After another smooth takeoff, it's time for our first meal.
How's your food?
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
What do you think?
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Can't wait for the fruit.
Yeah, I know.
What's that?
Tiramisu. It was good. Time for breakfast. Breakfast was okay compared to dinner. As the end of our flight approaches, I am still thinking of that refreshing grapefruit water. After a long flight, I could use a glass of that right now. The movie options were limited compared to the selection on Air Canada when flying to Singapore. But overall, the seats on EVA Air are quite comfortable and had more legroom than expected, so we got a decent amount of sleep, which we really needed. Another smooth landing, and 13 hours later, we made it to Taiwan.
Liz, where are we at?
We're in Taiwan.
What time is it?
It is 5:23 in the morning.
Here.
Yep.
And it's like what, 2?
It is
2:25.
2:23 in
All right.
the afternoon at home.
Okay, let's see what we get up to.